Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how type error can't multiply sequence by non-int of type str. This error typically occurs in Python when you attempt to multiply a sequence, example, a string or a list, by a non-integer value, specifically a string. In Python, you can use the multiplication operator, asterisk, to repeat a sequence a certain number of times. However, the value you multiply by must be an integer. Here's an example of the error. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. To fix the error, you need to make sure that the value you're multiplying by is an integer, not a string. If you have a variable that contains a string representation of an integer, you can convert it to an integer using the int function before performing the multiplication. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Note that the int function can raise a value error if the string cannot be converted to an integer. To handle such cases, you may need to add appropriate error handling, such as using a try except block. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.